my next video, I'd like to do one on a company Vihose, V-I-H-O-S-E, and it's a 100-piece 4-inch glow sticks. These can be used in all kinds of ways. Bulk emergency, survival glow-in-the-dark sticks, camping, hiking, supplies, party favors, etc. So not really much of an unboxing here, so I'm just going to show a couple pictures of them. Actually, the way I intend to use them is I do concealed carry instruction, firearm instruction, and these are great for some CQB training. Instead of a use of a bright flashlight, somebody comes in here and you need to figure out where they are, crack a couple of those, throw them around the house, and your house is lit up pretty good instead of shining lights all over the place. So anyway, let's get into more of the tech specs on these. They're adequate to meet your needs. You'll receive 100 pieces of our camping glow sticks. I'll put a link in the description on where to get these. I like the shorter size. These are 4 inches instead of them great big long ones. I like the size of these. They're real convenient. You can put several of them on a carabiner, and now you have light, and they last around 12 hours. The green ones last the longest. So it's sufficient to satisfy your daily use, replacing and sharing demands. You can share them with your family, friends, neighbors, more safe and easy to use, using the most innovative industrial-grade construction technology. Our glow stick is made of non-toxic chemical components, plastic and fluorescent fluid. Just bend hard and it can provide a chemiluminescence, safe, waterproof, and no fire hazard. It's designed with hooks that can be easily hung in most places, making campsites easily identified in the dark. Applicable to multiple occasions, our glow sticks are suitable for weddings, party, camping, hiking, night fishing, outdoor activity, musical festivals, carnivals. The list goes on and on, what you can use these for. Another one I just thought of is your car's broken down on the side of the road. That would be a really good one if you don't have flares. Appropriate size to use, the length of the green glow stick is about 4 inches or 10 centimeters. Compact in size, which can illuminate the face of guests and add a touch of mystery to festivals and parties. The sticks for fishing are practical. I don't fish, but which can be given to your parents, neighbors, colleagues, etc., etc. I don't know who you can give them to. But again, I like these because of their size. I also like these because of their price. They're very good priced. Again, I'll put the link in the description. You get 100 of them. You can get the green or red. I suggest green unless you want to use red, which red is more of a non-shiny kind of light, as you know, red lights in cars inside so people can't see for maps and reading and such. So if you want something to make a bright glow, luminesce, definitely go with the green color. I'm going to put a picture on my video here too as well that shows one in the middle of my room that the lights are completely off, and it's like turning the lights completely on. So they do a really good job, and like I said, they're about 12 hours, I believe. I'm going to finish this up and hopefully come back and we'll see how long they actually last. So that's my video on Vihose glow sticks. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.